utilize a variety of electronic devices in our daily lives. Everything from cooking to music incorporates electronics or electronic components. Technology simplifies our lives and saves us time and money. In this video, we will showcase 10 useful gadgets you haven't seen before. If you don't want to miss any of these incredible innovations, keep watching the video. Number 1. OMNI Case. This intelligent cover extends the battery life of the iPhone 7. The case's lightning input is fully functioning, allowing you to listen to music and connect your phone to a computer. The integrated battery of the case has a capacity of 2,800 mAh, which doubles the phone's battery work capability. This device is highly handy in emergency situations where there is no nearby wall plug. This device may be purchased for $39. Number 2. Smart Circle. You won't find a lighter or more compact electric bicycle than this one. It may be folded up quickly and stored easily in a bag. The vehicle's frame is made of carbon fiber-based components, which allow it to support up to 220 pounds despite its light weight of only 15.4 pounds. The seat post of this brand new bike is built around a Samsung 36-volt battery. The fastest it can go is 12 meters per hour, and it takes 2 hours to fully load. This baby can be purchased for $800. Number 3. Follow-grams. This device is relatively compact and extremely comfortable equipment for any playground. Its folded dimensions are 7.8 by 7.4 by 7.8 inches, and its unfolded and activated dimensions are 10.8 by 7.4 by 12 inches. The devices link to iOS and Android devices over Bluetooth and are compatible with both operating systems. It also includes a specialized application for uploading photos and images, as well as the ability to apply filters, manipulate colors, and flip them. Additionally, images are delivered from the application to the paper via the projector, and the equipment costs $65. Number 4. BEATWARE. The BEATWARE device, about the size of a wristwatch, gives you a physical connection to the music you're listening to. It is the coolest wearable device for experiencing music wherever you go. Simply put BEATWARE on your wrist, plug in your headphones, wired or wireless, and let the music begin. High-resolution video and audio are played on this gadget, giving listeners the sensation of being physically moved by the beat of the music. You can purchase this device for $129. Number 5. Tap Strap. This item initially appears to be a small strap, but it's actually a new generation keyboard. The creators of this technology made it possible to type on any surface. You must hold it in your hand and tap any adjacent object to use it. The device detects and turns motion into symbols. A simple knock is regarded as a vowel, whereas more complex combinations are used to represent consonants. There are 31 combinations that provide a 99% accuracy rate for text entry. The system is equipped with an autocomplete function and predictive text input. This method appears difficult and confusing at first, but you will appreciate using this keyboard after you become accustomed to it. Tap Strap is quite useful for typing text when the screen is obscured. The inventors intend to charge $119 for the device. Number 6. Sound Heroes. One cannot find a more cutting-edge Bluetooth speaker than this one. Every one of the gadget's angular corners has been hand-polished to ensure its pristine appearance. Sound Heroes is a wireless charging station for your phone, a signal booster, and a subwoofer, in addition to its core function as a speaker. This one-of-a-kind speaker may be purchased for $150. This device has the added capability of discharging steam and morphing in color to the beat of the music, making for a very amazing visual display. Number 7. Splash Drone. This unmanned aerial vehicle is the most advanced in the world. It is the first modular flight platform to be fully integrated. This vehicle is more dependable than ever because of its innovative flight control system. The fully overhauled power system has a 620 kilowatt motor and ensures a perfect balance between power and efficiency. It functions regardless of the weather or conditions. In addition, thanks to the refined design module, the Splash Drone 3 can swiftly adapt to any type of trip. This device costs $1,700. Number 8. FIXO. The first home computer that controls, entertains, and simplifies your life. This product is a disc-shaped intelligent device. FIXO is the first circular device that simplifies, controls, and entertains your home life. Essentially, it has multiple functions including radio, music, calls, healthcare, and a clock function. FIXO is a clock that displays many weather forecasts and appointments at a glance. Designed to hang from a table or wall, this frame is quite comfortable. FIXO is an application-optimized full set, and it has a 24cm diameter HD camera with a touch screen, 2-inch stereo speakers, and 3 widescreen buttons. Each button can do the primary functions. This disc is available for $26,981. Number 9. Electric Skate. This portable controller gives you access to 4 unique skateboard speeds. Different modes have different acceleration and deceleration behaviors, making the device usable by a wide range of people. Charging time for the skateboard is 45 minutes, although you can still use it in its typical fashion if you don't have power. The price tag on this device is $400. Number 10. SAFEBRICK. This device is a high-performance driving assistant with the most advanced intelligence features to heighten your awareness of traffic, even more knowledgeable than it originally appears. Its adaptable design makes it suited for any automobile. It is the most effective driver aid technology on the market, granting you better control on the road. World's greatest traffic statistics, free membership, speed camera updates for life, voice and LED support, global coverage. Additionally, it can utilize speed warnings and alerts regarding upcoming speed cameras to save costly fines. Receive real-time traffic reports beforehand in order to save time in traffic, and permit it to detect road sign information should you miss it. SAFEBRICK displays all relevant data directly in your line of sight, allowing you to retain focus before, during, and after an incident without taking your eyes off the road. It is available for $79. And that completes our video for today. We hope you enjoyed learning the 10 useful gadgets you haven't seen before. Which of them are you most excited about? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content such as this.